Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So originally we are all persons, no impersonal. Krishna also says, he will say, that these soldiers, these kings, you and me, my dear Arjuna, it is not that we did not exist in the past, neither it is that in future we shall cease to exist. So this particular instruction of Krishna, that I, you, and all these kings and soldiers who have assembled here, they existed as we are existing now, individual person. Similarly, they existed individual person. And in future also, we shall exist as individual person. So where is the question of impersonal? This nonsense impersonalist, voidist. Therefore, the principle is to understand things in reality. One has to approach Krishna as Arjuna has approached. Shishya steyam. Now I am your disciple. Just teach me, sadhima, prapanna. I am surrendering. I am not trying to talk with you on equal level. To accept Guru means whatever Guru says, you have to accept. Otherwise, don't make Guru. Don't make a fashion. You must be ready. That is called prapanna. Tad vidhi pranipatena. You can understand simply by surrendering. Not to taste Guru. I shall taste him, how much he knows. Then what is the use of making Guru? No. Therefore, Arjuna says that besides you, there is nobody else who can actually satisfy me in this perplexed condition. Jachokamucho sanamindriyana. My senses are being dried up. Because the superficial senses, that are not actually senses. Real sense is within. Rishikena Rishikesha Sivanam. We have to serve Krishna, Rishikesha. Krishna is real. And we have to come to that position of reality. Then we can serve Krishna. Rishikena, tatparatena nirmala. When our senses are purified. Indriyani pararahu, indriyabba parammana. Manasastu paro buddhi. These are different stages. This bodily concept of life means senses. But when you transcend these senses, you come to the mental platform. When you transcend the mental platform, you come to the intellectual platform. When you come to the intellectual platform, when you transcend, then you come to the spiritual platform. That is spiritual form. There are different grades and steps in the gross bodily platform. We demand pratyakha jnana. Pratyakha means direct perception. There are different stages of knowledge. Pratyakha, aparakkha, pratyakha, parakkha, aparakkha, adhokhaja, aprakita. These are different stages of knowledge. So, knowledge acquired in the bodily platform, direct perception, is not real knowledge. Therefore we can challenge these science, so-called scientists. The basic principle of knowledge is on the bodily concept of life. Pratyakha. Experimental knowledge. Experimental knowledge means this gross sense perception. That is experiment. Pratyakha. Everyone says, we do not see God. God is not such a subject matter that you can see with this pratyakha, direct perception. God's another name is Anubhava. Anubhava. Just like in this room, we do not see the sun directly, but we know that there is sun. It is daytime. How do you know it? You do not see it. But there are other processes by which you can experience. That is called aparakha. Pratyakha, parakkha, aparakha. In this way, Krishna consciousness means adhokhaja and aprakita, beyond the senses. Therefore, in the Bhagavad Gita, it is said adhokhaja, where direct perception cannot reach. So where direct perception cannot reach, then how you can perceive, anubhav? That is Swarupa Pantha. That is Shruti. You have to take knowledge from the Vedas. And the Vedic knowledge is explained by Guru. Therefore, one has to take shelter of Krishna as the Supreme Guru or his representative. Then all these troubles, means ignorance, can be dissipated. Tachokocha sanamindriyana. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,